Okay, we are now on the lesson 22 problem set. We're getting close to the end of module 5. On this problem set, we're going to be circling 10 of the erasers and then circling 10 pencils. And then we're going to look and see which one has more loose ones to find the group, if we look here, that has more things. As we move throughout this problem set, we'll have to pay attention to the words because some want us to figure out which group has more, and some want us to figure out which group has less. But on all of them, we're going to first circle 10, find the loose ones, and then figure out which group has more or less. So on the first one, let's circle 10 erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can see here's my group of 10 erasers. And then the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if I match, they both have 10, 1, or 11. They both have 10, 2, 12, but there aren't any more erasers left, which means we have 12 erasers. And then if there's one more, 12, 13 pencils. Now, which one is more, 12 or 13? Yep, if you said 13, you'd be right. There are more pencils than erasers. I'm going to put a big check by the pencils. And look, we got a visitor. Say hi, Minnie Burger. She wanted to come do some math with you guys. Okay, now on the next one, it says we're going to circle 10 sandwiches and 10 milk cartons, and then we're going to check the group that has less or fewer, right? The smaller group. So let's first circle our groups of 10, and we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle my group of 10 sandwiches. And then look, there's one more. So 10, 1 is 11. Okay, let's do our milk cartons now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my group of 10. Okay, how many milk cartons are still left? Yep, 4. So 10, 4 is the same as 14. And you can count to check if you want to. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, if we look at 11 and 14, which one has less? Which one is smaller or fewer? Yep, 11, because here we have 10 and then one thing left. But on this one, we have 10 and there's 4 more, right? And 4 is more than 1. So we're going to put a check by the 11 because that is the group that has less. Okay, let's read this next one. We're going to circle our 10 baseballs and our 10 gloves. But then we're going to check the group that has more things. And they've actually given us a spot here to write how many are in each group. So let's circle 10 and figure out which group has more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm touching as I count just to make sure I don't miscount. And for our gloves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Now, but for the baseballs, I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we write 16 with a 1 and then a 6. And then the baseballs, I've got my 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, if I look at 16 and 16, they are what? They are the same, exactly. So can one have more if they're both the same? Nope. So if you want, you can even write a little equal sign to show that they are the same. One group does not have more. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to circle our groups of 10. We're going to write how many, and then on this one, though, we're going to figure out which group has less, which is the smaller number. So let's first find our group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle this group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, 15 with a 1 and then a 5. Okay, and then my oranges, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got my group of 10, 11, 12. So which one has more loose ones? 15 has more, which means 12 is less. It's smaller. There's only 2 loose ones here. So I'm going to put that check by the 12 because it's the group that has less. Okay, last one. We're going to circle our 10, write the numbers, and then we're actually going to circle either more or less to fill out the sentence and make it true. So let's start by finding our group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the way these are organized, I'm going to count and just check my work to make sure I did it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see how many are outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 and 9 is the same as 19. And then let's check our forks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle my group of 10. And because these are scattered around, I'm going to count again just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have 19 spoons and 18 forks. Now, is 19 more or less than 18? If you said more, you would be correct because we know that 9 is more than 8. And they both have 110. We have that same group of 10, but there's more spoons here than there are forks here. So we would say 19 is more than 18. Great work.